Okay, level 5, 1 bar rhythm using untuned percussion. So we're going to add a track, MIDI instrument, green track. And we're going to go to percussion, general MIDI percussion. Okay, this has just a whole heap of sounds. Make sure the green cue is on. Then we're going to find kind of maybe some djembe sounding drums or shakers or cowbell. Okay, so I like those drums. I can then practice by hitting play, and in fact, if I just show you there's a little red square here. If we click on that to make it bold, we can then loop what we've got. Okay, it only needs to be 1 bar, so when I'm happy with it, I'm going to take off that loop. I'm going to go to the beginning, and I'm going to hit record, and record 1 bar. And there we go. There's my 1 bar rhythm, which I then need to loop. Now, this is actually gone past 2 bars, so this is bar 2. And we can see my loop is bigger than a bar. So I'm going to shrink that to 1 bar. I can then loop it, maybe 4 times. And there we go. Let's have a listen. Level 5 done.